magic tree. Boo happily plants a tiny magic seed in a flower pot beside the house and waters it carefully before going to sleep. The next morning, crack! A giant tree has exploded through the roof overnight, growing insanely tall into the sky. The entire house is lifted high above the ground, hanging crookedly on the massive trunk. Boo, Rocky, and Thief stand below in shock. My house! Rocky immediately grabs an axe and starts chopping the trunk. Whack! 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 Thief smirks and brings out a chainsaw. Move aside. The chainsaw roars loudly against the trunk, then suddenly sputters, shakes violently, and starts smoking. Poof! A few moments later, Reno arrives driving a huge truck. He ties a giant rope around the tree trunk. Ready? The truck accelerates. Vroom! The rope stretches tighter and tighter. The tree begins to lean. Crack! The giant tree finally crashes down. The house falls with it. All three scream and hug each other. Boom! Dust flies everywhere. A moment later, the dust clears. The house lands perfectly upright on the ground. Silence. Then the whole group jumps around, cheering happily. Whoa! Oh, a cookie!
But only one cake was left.
Wait, I want some!
Huh? What's going on here? The rule is share fairly.
Well, cookie!
Hey, where did the cookie go?
I don't know! Yummy!
Aha!
Run! Stay close, little one. The park is full of surprises today. Look at my balloons, Grandpa. They're so bouncy. Hee hee, these balloons will help me fly away with the cookies. Yikes! My tail! It's stuck under a giant sleeping mountain. Aha! Bad plans always lead to a stuck situation, Mr. Buffalo. Here, you can have one balloon if you promise to be good. Kindness makes the world go round.
Time to go to school. Wait, I can't find my book.
Where's your book?
You have to organize it. Huh, my bag glows. I'm the smart bag. Messy people will get into trouble. Wow, it's so messy inside. Because Piggy isn't tidy. Stop right there! To keep things tidy, you have to organize them. Okay, I'll organize it. That's right, take your time. That's great, neatness makes everything easy to find. Wow, it's really easy to find. See? From now on, I'll be tidy. Well done. Let's play gently indoors. I'll play carefully. Oh no, it's over. I won't tell anyone. Where's the vase? I don't know. I think you're hiding something. It's nothing. When I do something wrong, I should tell the truth. I'm afraid of being scolded. I broke the vase? Thank you for telling the truth. Let's clean it up together. I'll be more careful. From now on, I won't play ball indoors. That's a good idea. Telling the truth makes me feel better and helps me correct my mistakes better. My car?
Wow.
Can I borrow it? Hey, give it back! Stop! I'll keep it safe. Give it back. Wait, where's the toy? Stop! Maybe we share? Huh? Where is my fish? Stop right there! Help me! I'm sorry.
Huh? Look, Piggy.
Huh?
Free ice cream for everyone. It's party time.
Yahoo!
But it's so heavy. I'm scared we will drop it. Ice cream for free? No way! It's all for me! Stop! Danger ahead! Official police business! I'm sorry. I just wanted a cold treat. You don't have to steal! We have plenty for everyone! Sweet treats, sweet friends. Sharing is fun! Oh no, Mr. Brown Bear! Watch out for the hole! Don't worry, I'm here! Safety first! I can help! Planting trees is so much fun! Thank you, everyone! Our tree looks beautiful! Working together, making the earth greener! The night camping adventure! Panda and Rocky camp in the forest, setting up a tent, lighting a small fire, and grilling food. The two laugh happily, sitting beside the warm campfire. Late at night, Panda and Rocky crawl into the tent and fall asleep. From behind the bushes, Thief sneaks out, his eyes darting around as he tiptoes toward the tent. Thief reaches out to grab a bag placed outside the tent. Suddenly, click! A flashlight blazes on brightly. A bell rings loudly. Party poppers burst into the air. Thief jumps in shock, slips, and falls backward. Colorful lights illuminate the entire forest, with confetti sparkling everywhere. Panda and Rocky crawl out of the tent, eyes wide, then burst into laughter. Amid the shimmering lights, Police Officer Reno appears, standing tall and imposing. Reno looks at Thief lying on the ground, shakes his head, and sighs. Reno takes Thief away. Panda and the fake ball. Panda and Rocky are juggling a ball on the street, passing it back and forth happily. Suddenly, the ball flies over a fence and lands in Thief's garden. Panda and Rocky watch it, looking a bit worried. Inside the garden, Thief picks up the ball, squinting as he thinks. He looks around, then pulls out a round iron ball. Thief paints the iron ball to look exactly like the real ball, puts it back in place, and smirks slyly. Panda runs over and kicks it hard. Bonk! Panda grabs his foot in pain, hopping around on one leg, his face twisted. Seeing this, Rocky gets angry, crosses his arms, and thinks. A light bulb pops up over his head. Rocky secretly grabs a beehive and puts it into a bag. The two of them throw the bag over the fence, landing it in Thief's garden. Thief, curious, opens the bag. Bees burst out. Thief panics and runs away, waving his arms wildly. The swarm of bees chases him closely. Panda, still holding his foot, and Rocky stand outside, laughing uncontrollably and...
I found this box in the bushes. It looks strange. Be careful. I want to open it right now. We should examine it carefully first. It says on the box to open slowly. Opening it quickly will be more fun. Wait a minute. Opened! What's happening? It seems we did something wrong. I can't control it. We have to find a way to close it again. Do it slowly in order. I'll try to calm down. Everything is settling down again because we did it the right way. Next time I won't rush. Always read and follow the instructions. Slowing down keeps me safer and helps me solve things better.
The missing donuts. Boo happily mixes dough in the kitchen, spinning around while making a fresh batch of donuts. Soon, a tray of golden donuts sizzles on the stove, smelling delicious. Boo smiles proudly. Perfect! He leaves the kitchen for a moment to grab toppings outside. The second Boo disappears, Thief slowly peeks through the window. His nose twitches from the smell. He sneaks inside on tiptoe, looks left and right, then quickly grabs one donut. Chomp! His eyes widen. So good! He grabs another, then another, stuffing his mouth as crumbs fly everywhere. Suddenly, footsteps approach. Thief panics and stuffs the remaining donuts into his shirt before diving behind the counter. Boo walks back in carrying syrup bottles. He stops. The tray is nearly empty. Boo slowly turns his head toward the crumbs on the floor, then toward the suspiciously round shape hiding behind the counter. Thief slowly backs away. Boo narrows his eyes. Hey! Thief freezes. Back in the kitchen, Thief sits guiltily at the table with his head lowered.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Boo looks at the empty tray, then smiles. Instead of getting angry, Boo starts making another batch of donuts. Almost done! Dinner is going to be amazing. I'm so hungry, Mr. Panda. Who's there? Freeze, police! Don't steal. If you're hungry, just sit down and eat with us. Oh, thank you, everyone. It's delicious.
Wow, that apple looks delicious. Wow, that's a really delicious apple.
Uh-oh.
I can use the ladder to pick the apple. Hold the ladder tight so I don't fall while picking the apple. Stand on my head and pick the apple. This apple tastes great. Let's cut it up and eat it together.
All done. Now we just wait for the fruit.
Many months later.
Hey, thief! Catch me if you can! That's our tree! Stop right there! The stinky chair thief secretly brings a bottle of super glue into the lounge room. Grinning mischievously, he spreads glue all over Boo's chair and quickly hides behind the door, waiting for the prank to happen. Boo walks in, but suddenly hears someone calling outside and leaves again. Rocky rushes into the room first and drops onto the chair. Huh? He tries to stand up, but the chair is stuck tightly to him. Rocky panics and runs around the room dragging the chair behind him, crashing into tables, lamps, and the mop bucket. Right then, Reno walks in. He sees Rocky running wildly with a chair attached behind him. Stop! Reno lunges forward to grab Rocky, but accidentally sits on another glued chair himself. Stop! Reno tries to stand, dragging the chair along behind him. Now both of them are running around in chaos with chairs stuck to them like giant tails. Behind the door, Thief shakes with laughter. Boo walks back in and freezes at the ridiculous scene. Rocky slipping across the floor, Reno smashing into walls, both of them colliding and rolling into a pile. Reno points angrily at Thief. You! Thief panics and runs. The chase begins. Rocky is still dragging his chair, which bangs loudly across the floor with every step. Reno attempts to leap over a table, but the chair hooked to him gets caught in the doorway and slingshots him backward. Thief races around the room laughing, until he suddenly slips on spilled glue. Smack! Both of his hands get stuck to the floor. Boo tries pulling him loose but fails. Rocky joins in, and together they yank so hard that Thief flies backwards straight into a giant stack of chairs. Every chair is covered in glue. Reno crosses his arms angrily. Cut to Thief wearing a janitor outfit, painfully scrubbing glue off every single chair one by one. Chaotic hide and seek. Rocky invites Boo and Thief to play hide and seek. Rocky covers his eyes and starts counting while Boo and Thief run off to hide. Boo quickly hides behind a bush, sitting confidently and staying perfectly still. Except for his long ears sticking out above the leaves. Rocky turns around and immediately spots them. Found you! Boo awkwardly steps out. Meanwhile, Thief hides inside a large concrete pipe by the road. No one will find me here. But at that exact moment, a construction truck arrives and loads the pipe onto the truck. Inside the pipe, Thief falls asleep without noticing anything. Back outside, Boo and Rocky search everywhere but cannot find him. Worried, they ask Reno for help. Reno instantly starts a full search operation. The group runs around checking alleys and construction sites. Then Boo suddenly hears snoring. All three look up at a stack of concrete pipes nearby. Reno climbs up and shines a flashlight inside. Thief is sleeping peacefully in the pipe. Found him! Thief wakes up suddenly and smacks his head against the pipe. Ow! After being pulled down, Thief looks around in confusion. Wait, did I win?